All right, let's hear what Wealth J has to say. Enlighten us with your richness.
But it's getting dark quick as hell too, man. It's getting dark at like 5:20.
Yeah, it gets dark at winter time. It's November.
But I just wanted to address two people on here. The first being Miko Sweetia. Miko Sweetia, listen, bro.
I'm listening.
I don't understand what you niggas' obsession is with me calling me rich and calling me all this. I'm a working man just like everybody else.
Oh, you hear that?
Far from rich.
He's a working man like everybody else. Far from rich. But when he goes live, he's a rich man. He got more money than everybody else in the sector, but he's just a working man like everybody else. A struggling, underpaid working man like everybody else. Because those are the motherfuckers who's struggling, the ones that's working, motherfucker. Rich people don't work.
Would like to be rich. Hope one day I could.
All right, well, you're not going to be rich by working on 9 to 5. Standing in the door as a security guard. And
be rich. But my thing to you is this, Miko Media. You,
Oh, by the way, it's Miko Savage.
You live out of a fucking room, dude.
I just proved that to be false.
You live out of...
You just saw the stairway. You saw a living room. Go on.
Room, you dusty motherfucker. You got 2 fat back TVs stacked on top of each other.
Where have you seen 2 TVs? I got 1 TV, bruh. 1 big flat screen.
A dirty ass microwave on top of the 2 dusty ass fat back TVs. You got
a microwave next to a TV. Where have you seen this? See he live roasting like his boy Monkey Mills.
Got a goddamn
Monkey
Xbox
Moore.
One.
See, lying again. I have a PS4. I don't have no fucking Xbox.
You a dirty ass nigga, bro. We all know that you're living bad.
Right.
Every time we see you,
right.
You don't have your fucking haircut.
Right, my hair is still short. Last time you saw me on a video, did I not have short hair, LJ? Wealth J. Oh, and by the way,
your glasses been broke for 9 months straight. I mean,
my glasses are just fine. I got a new pair just a couple months ago, this year.
You are the dustiest of the dustiest, dude. Are you serious? Are you fucking serious, guy? And you got the nerve to mention me. That's okay. I got a cake bake for your motherfucking ass. Also,
oh, do? Oh, you do, huh? Hey, y'all notice something? Y'all notice something? Look at him. Is he walking? I thought you had a car and wealth. And luxurious items, LJ. Wealth J, where's your car? Why are you walking down the street? Is he walking? I thought he had a Bugatti and all this other shit. All you got is some fucking faggot ass jeans and probably from, I don't know, Ross or some female store. And purses, and you buy weed. I mean, what happened? Where's your car, bro? You saying I'm dusty and broke. Where's your car? Where's your luxuries? Shut the fuck up.